Welcome to our Ultimate Showdown. Today, we're diving into the features, benefits, and unique offerings of both Elementary OS and Fedora 2025. Who should choose Elementary OS, and who might prefer Fedora? Let's explore their target audiences. First up is the user interface. Let's compare the aesthetics and usability of both environments. Now, let's look at package management. Elementary OS utilizes App Center, while Fedora employs DNF. How do they stack up against each other? In terms of performance, we will analyze the speed, efficiency, and resource usage of both systems. Let's discuss software availability. What pre-installed applications come with Elementary OS and Fedora, and what's the community support like? Next up, we have updates and release cycles. Is stability or cutting-edge features more crucial for you? When it comes to customizability, we'll see how flexible Elementary OS is against Fedora's extensive options. Lastly, let's delve into the community supporting both OSs. What resources and assistance can you expect? So, which operating system is the better option for you? Whether you lean towards the polished simplicity of Elementary OS or the robustness of Fedora 2025, make the choice that fits your needs.